Welcome to 526 Hobson Avenue, Brook, New Jersey. I'm Tom McCarthy, and today we have for you a ground-up, new construction, single-family home with a touch over 3,000 square feet. This house has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 3,000 linear feet of custom millwork. Kitchen houses Italian Bertazzoni stainless steel appliances, white shaker cabinetry. Below we have black honed granite countertops. And to top it all off, this beautiful, rare, imported quartzite from Brazil. Being only 1.3 miles away from the New Jersey Transit line in Porterville, this house is a commuter's dream. Enjoy your tour. It was a pleasure to take this tour with you today. I'm Tom McCarthy with the Chen Agency, and you could reach me with any questions or to schedule a private tour at 201-206-8144. Thank you.